Hello guys, in this video we are going to develop a super cool, super easy travel agency management system using C++ object-oriented concepts. In this channel I make software development and computer science related videos, so if there is something interest you, consider subscribing to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. So without much talks, let's get started to develop our project. So before I begin this project, I had never idea how travel agency management system works. So I refer some articles on the internet and draw a simple diagram how this system works. When I draw this diagram, I draw this diagram using some object-oriented concepts. As you can see, these are the classes: customers, cabs, booking, billing, and so on. And there's another class called manage system menu. These are the attributes of these classes. As you can see, there are some variables and methods and so on. This is the two files we are going to generate using this program. These are the things we are going to save on these files using file handling concepts on C++. We are going to create a main menu using a function. So that's all. Let's begin to develop this project. So I use IDE, CodeBlocks IDE to develop this project. You can use any IDE with any compiler to develop this C++ project. So first of all, as you can see, I created a folder on my desktop and I'm going to create the C++ file in this folder. Go to file and select C++ source, go next, and I will give this name as file name is for path. This is the path, and I will give name travel manager and save. Click on finish. Okay, first of all we are going to import a header file to our project. So I click on this and include. First I will include IOStream header file, which is basic input output file, and then I'm going to include stream file. This is to handle our files, and then include IOmanip, which is this one used to show floating point values. Include windows.h file, windows.h. This is going to use something interesting. I will show in the later of this video why we import this header file, and then using name space std. First of all, we are going to create our main function and return value, then cout hello world check our project working or not. There is no bugs. We'll see our project working or not. Yes, it prints hello world, so that means there is no any errors on this file. So now we are going to create classes before coding. So which classes we have to make? As you can see, class customers, cabs, booking, and billing. So I will create these classes: class keyword and class customers, and this is customer class, and then class, I can say cabs or something like that. So cabs, and then class, I can say booking. There is main classes, and last I can say I can create a class called charges. Yeah, that means charges means the cost customer have to pay. Okay, then we are going to add attributes to our customer class. So customer will have attributes like name, gender, address, age, mobile number, and something like that. So first of all, we are going to add them as public modifier. I will create public, and I can say string. I will add name and gender and address, and as integer values I can add age, and what I can add mobile number, and that's all. That's it. No. Oh, I can add an customer ID. Yes, customer ID. Okay, that's it. So then I create a menu, create actually a method to get details from the user, otherwise using you customer. So I will create void get details function, and I will add I can get details from customer like name, age, address, and something like that. So I can say cout enter customer ID, and so in I can get this customer ID to here, and I can copy this one and paste, Control C, enter. I can say name, enter age, enter I can say mobile number, and this should be name, this should be age, this should be mobile number. Okay, that's it. And then I can get some other values like address and gender. I can say address, and in here I can get the value for gender. Okay, that's it. This should be address gender. Okay, so these are the details we are getting from the customer. So and then we have to show these details. So to show these details, I'm going to create another function. I can say show details. Okay, show details function is this, and if you see this one, we are going to save these attributes like save all details customers who use the system in this old document.txt. So that means we are going to save these things in a file, in actually in a text file. So to do this, I have to create a file. So I use of stream, I can say out or something like that, out, and I will create a file name as old customers.txt, and I will open the file as .ios app means append mode. Okay, and then I can add these things inside here. Okay, that's it. And then I can say out these things. Okay, so what I can say, actually out, I'm going to new line and say customer ID, and getting the customer ID in here as ID, and then I can get the name, and I can get the name in here. Okay, and I can get the age value in here, and then can go to the new line and save the mobile number. Yes, mobile now, and then at the last I can save what, go to a new line, address, and then address. So that's it. And I can indel this one, address, and then I can I forgot to add gender. Go to new line and gender should be gender. So I think that's all. Yep, that's all. So now I can close this file. I mean, to close this file, I can say out dot close. So that's it, and I can print a message. What I can print something like this. Go to a new line, and I can print saved, and go to again new line. These all of the records are saving in the file, so I can I can print a note to customers, something like that. We save your details record for future purposes or something like that, and go to a new line. This is the end of the line. So that's it. Let's build this one, if there is error or not. Is no any errors. So we are going to create show details function. So actually we are not going to show these details on not only the console as well. We are going to show these details using this saved file. So to do this, I can use if stream in or something like that, in file or in, and the file name is alt customers. That's it, no? Alt customers.txt, and then I can say if not in cout, I can say file error. Okay, if there is error in the file, this will print. I mean, if there is something error in the file, this will print. Okay, and then I can say I can print if there is something in file. I can say while, I can use while loop for this, while not, and in I can use if this function is comes with the this header file, fstream header file, and then I can say in dot and get line, actually get line, and that cout. In this get line means that all of the line we are getting. So to get all of the lines, we have to create actually a variable to get these lines. So to do this, so I will create a variable in here. Variable should be character array actually. Yes, character array. Character array, I will name this character array. Okay, all. I will put value as 999. So that's it, and then I can get line and all 999. So that's all, and then I can print all in the end of the line. Okay, so that's it, and after the did this, I can close this open file. So I hope that's all for the customer class. Oh my gosh, nice. We nicely we nicely finished the customer class. Now we are going to add our attributes to cab class. Okay, think this system have some cabs to give to book their customers. So as cabs attribute, I can make this all as public, and I can say int. There's so many cabs now, so I can make a variable to choose these cabs as cab choice, and we are going to do some destination, so I can say kilometers or something like that. There will be some cost for this cab, so I can say float cost, and that's all. So okay, now we are going to create a detailed function for these cabs. I can say void cab, I can say details. So this is the function for these cabs details. So I can say I actually I wrote some details for this cabs, so I paste it here, otherwise video will be longer. These are the things, I mean these are the details of these cabs. There are two cabs as you can see. So now I can choose this cab, which cab I use. To do this, see out, I can say I can calculate the cost for this journey actually. Yes, so to do this, I'm going to new line, and I say to calculate the cost for your journey journey journey. See out, enter which, I can say, which kind of cab you need. Which kind of cab means there is two cabs, so which cab customer need. Okay, so see in, I can use cab choice variable in here, and then I copy this one, and here I can say enter kilometer you have to what travel. So here I can use the variable called kilometers. So that's it. And then we can use a conditional, if else conditional statements to choose this cab, I mean first cab or second cab. So to do this, I will create a variable called hire cab, and I can say if cab choice means this is not necessary in this time. The cab choice means this one or two. If cab choice is assigned to 1, I can print I can calculate the value for this one. I can say cab actually now I can create a variable called cost. I mean cost means actually this should be I can say cab cost, otherwise I can't identify which cost is this. So cab cost. Okay, let's see. So I can calculate this value. So cab cost is assigned, I can say kilometers multiplied with 50, because first cab is 15 rupee for kilometer. So this is calculation, and I can say cout I can say what I can say go to a new line, and your cost will, sorry, I can say something like this: your tour cost. I can get cab cost variable to here, how many rupees, and rupees for a standard cab. No, you can see this is the first one for I can say the standard cab. Okay, that is it. Now I'm going to end the line, and then I can see out something like I can say press, sorry, I can say press 1 to hire this cab, or press 1 to hire this cab, or I can say cout press, if user want to cancel this one, I can say press 2 to select another cab. Otherwise user can back to the menu and select a luxury cab. Okay, that's this mean. Okay. And in here I can see this variable called higher cab. That's why I create a variable called higher cab. See in control V. Okay, now now these things okay. Now if I back these things should be closed from the terminal. So to close these things from the terminal, I used a function called system cls. This will clear the console. Okay, so that's it. And then we are going to write a if else statement for this one. Now okay, if I can say higher cab is assigned 1, now we have to calculate, otherwise get the last cab cost. I mean, if you book this one, your cab cost should be goes to uh, last cab cost. Okay, so to do this I will create another variable called last cab cost. Okay, now the last cab cost should be, if you choose this one, last cab cost should be what? This one, cab cost. Control C, I paste it here. Okay, and then I can say cout, go to a new line and say you have, I can say, successfully hired which cab. One means the standard cab, no, hired a standard cab. So that's it, and I can go to new line using indeed, and I can say what actually I can say, go to menu. Oh, okay. Now after the finishing the this after the hiring this cab, I can go to the menu and get the receipt. We will going to create the receipt of in these charges class. So before that, I can say go to menu and I can say take the receipt. So that's it, and in the and else if higher cab is assigned 2, that means second one. Okay, this will back into the cab details function. And then I can say else except these two inputs, the input will be invalid input, so I can say else cout, this should be invalid input. Then I can redirect this one into the actually previous menu or something like that. I can say redirecting to previous menu. Say I will use the sleep function in this here, so I can say please please wait. In here I can say sleep. This is something interesting. When we are going to run the program, we will see what will happen in this function. Actually, I put command like 999 or something like that, and then I will clear the terminal. To clear the terminal, I can use system cls, and then we are redirecting to the previous menu. No, so previous menu means cap details function. Okay, we are getting the function name to here. So that's it. That's it for this function. And then we can create else part. If else part to if capture is 2, we can use else if. This is the thing. No, I can say else if cap choice is 2, if cap choice is 2, I can copy paste the same thing, so I paste it here. I paste this one in here, something like this. This is the same thing. System.cls and previous menu means. So this else part is coming with this one. You can go to this one into main menu. We are develop this after the develop the class, so I will name it as menu. There is no menu function, so I will comment this one, build this one. So last cap cost stick scope. This should be capital C. That's the problem. So there is no any errors. So I will remove this one, and that's it for cab class, as I think. And after the all the things, if all the things will not happen, I can say cout. What I can say? Press 1 to redirect main menu. If above things will not happen, this should happen. Okay, so I can say cin. I can get higher cap because higher cap, we are create higher cap to getting inputs to choose these inputs, so I can get higher cap to here, and then clear the system using system cls, and then I can say if higher cap is assigned 1, go to main menu, else go to main menu as well, because there is no else part. No. So I think that's all for the cabs class. So wow, beautifully we finished 2 classes. Oh, wow. Now we only have to create another 2 class called booking class and charger class. It will be easy. Now think a booking one. Okay, this booking one I can say there is some public some public attributes like integer. There are some hotels, so I can say choice choice hotels, choice hotel, and there is some hotel packages, so I can say pack hotel pack pack again pack choice actually pack choice. So that's all. No, I can say hotel cost actually. This should be floating point number, so that's why I create float value, and hotel should be cost. So that's it. I'm going to create a method, otherwise it's a function, to these hotels. This function contains actually I can think function contains details of the hotels. Okay, there is I can guess there is 3 hotels. I can add these 3 hotels into an array. Say into an array. String hotel no is the array name. There is no any values to this array, and I will add value. My hotel name should be maybe Avendra or something like that, and another hotel called Choice You, and another hotel is Elephant Bay or something like that. Okay, don't think about names. And I can print these values using for loop. For each actually for each using in C sharp. This is C++ now, so I can for int a is assigned 0. This is simple for loop. And there is 3 values now, so I will print like this 3 and a plus plus. That's it, and I can see out these values. Uh, we have to print the hotel number. This one is 1 2 3. So to do this I can this value is started count with 0 no? So we have to plus value, so I can say a plus 1. Now we start with 1. Okay, plus 1 and then dot, that means 1 hotel, 2 hotel. That's it. Okay, don't think about so much. You will see what will happen when we run this program on hotel 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 no a and in there. That means 1 hotel Lavendra, 2 hotel choice you, like that. Okay, now I can say this system currently we collaborated, I don't know if spelling is correct or not, collaborated with above hotels. And above hotels mean these 3 kind of hotels. Okay, and see out, press any key to back, or I can say enter number of the hotel you want to book. Okay, and I can see in I can paste this variable name in here, choice hotel. Okay, now I have to clear the system. System means actually a terminal, otherwise command prompt in this but Windows CLS. So now I have to make but if else statements to choose the hotels. Choice hotel is assigned 1. What will happen if choice is hotel 1? The hotel details should be printed. I create hotel details, so the details will be pasted in here by me. I'll wait for it. I pasted the hotel details of first hotel 1, and then I can say cout. Actually, these are the hotel details. These are the hotel details. Cout. Press another. I can say press another key to back, or new line and enter package number. These are the package, standard pack, premium pack, luxury pack. I can say enter package number. You want to book. So that's it. See in we have create a variable called package. We have created choice comparison. These are actually global variables, not locals, so I can use anywhere one, and then I can use if else one. So I will copy this if else command. It will be easy to understand. I paste it here. You can see if package choice is 1, hotel cost should be 5,000, and this will print. If package choice is 1, hotel 1,000 assigned to hotel cost assigned to 1,000, 10,000, and this will print. If package choice if 3, hotel cost should be 15,000, and this will print, and else this will print input invalid input redirecting to previous menu. Please wait, and this will print. We discussed about these things above, and then first hotel is over, and then I can create actually the menu for second hotel. Wow, we wrote up to 200 line of codes. Nice. Very tired now. Anyway, now same thing will happen. Okay, the same thing will happen. This one is the except this one, same thing will happen. Okay, so I will copy this one. It will be easy to actually easy to do this video. My laptop battery is deading. I'll connect this into. Okay. Now okay, I will paste that one. Before the paste that one, if this one will not happen, if these things will not happen, I can say cout press 1 to redirect main menu. Main menu means we are going to develop main menu. After the completing this function, it will be easy for us. And to go to main menu, I can say go, I can create a variable called int go to main, and I can use this one here, go to menu. Yes, if go to menu is assigned 1, go to actually menu. Also else go to menu as well. We are going to actually comment these things, otherwise when we build a system, this will show as bug. Actually not bug, actually error. So that's it, and I'm going to build this one. Pack choice 1. Okay, I remove this one. Pack choice means, oh my gosh, I'm missing the I calculator. Okay, cool, there is no any errors. Now we did this one, and same thing we did it this in here. Okay, so I can copy these things. That's it now. So in with here, so I can copy and paste another code in here, another hotel code in here. Where is I save this one? We are going to I'm going to paste another 2 hotels details also. Okay, then I will. Oh my gosh, there are something errors. There are some errors. Or I can remove this one. You can comment this. Comment this one. Comment this one. This one as well. So build this program. Go to menu is not declared. This is scope. No, I declared. I can say I can this one. Okay, now I build this program. Why? What happened? So no problem, I can declare in this setting in this int. Okay, then I will build this one. Why, what the happen? What's the problem? Okay, cool, no any errors. And we finished another class. Wow, beautiful. And then we have to develop the only the charges class. That's it. Okay, let's develop the charges class. To develop this charges class, we have to use object oriented concept called inheritance. We have to inherit. There are so many inherit methods in object oriented programming concepts, like multi-level inheritance, multiple hierarchical, and something like that. And in here we use multi-level inheritance actually. So I inherit using this colon mark. I'm going to inherit another classes to this charges class, because we have to getting the cost for this charges class uh, to print in the receipt. So to do this, I can say public booking and cabs class, and another class called customers. So that's it. So let's build if there is errors. So cool, no any errors. Don't worry, I will provide you the source code of this software. Public, using my GitHub account. Public void. I can create a method to print this bill. I can say void print bill. Actually, to print this bill, to getting the actually to values to for this bill, I have to getting values from these actually these classes. I have to get the customer ID. I will print customer ID on the bill, so I'm getting customer ID, and in this class I'm going to getting last cab cost to print on the bill, and in this class I'm getting actually hotel cost to print within the bill. So to get this um, actually I can actually to get the hotel cost, I can make this as static. This is so now this is static variable, so I can use this variable out of the classes using some inheritance concepts like float, because that variable is floating point value. So float, I can use the booking. Booking means the class name, and using double colons, and I can get hotel cost variable to here. That's it. And then we got the hotel cost values out of the class, and then I have to get cab cost actually. Yes, last cab cost to print on the bill. So I will make this variable as static. Okay, so I copy this one. It should be out of the class, so I will make float cabs double colons, and this is the variable we are going to get out of the class. So that's it. And then we are going to actually develop the class called charges. So I we make attributes as print bill method. In here, this print bill method, we are going to save this print, save these details, otherwise save this print in a text file. As you see, as you saw this diagram, this one. So I can say of stream out if or something like that name, and I will name as receipt.txt, and I will open this file as a normal file. I'll create this file as normal file actually. I created the template for this file before, so I will paste it here, otherwise this video will be a long one. I copy this thing and paste the build template in here. As you can see here, I got the customer ID from this class, and book hotel cost got the booking hotel cost got using got from the actually booking class, and last cab cost got from the cabs class. So this one is to show the floating point values in C++, we use this function and this keyword. So that's it, don't think about so much. And at the last, as total charge, we getting the booking hotel booking charge and last cab cost, to combine this one and to so actually plus this one using this one and print as total charge. So that's it. Actually I forgot to getting the customer ID from the customer class actually, so I will do it now. Int customers actually can use double colons and customer ID. Yes, so I have to create customer ID as a static variable. Static int customer ID. So that's it. And now we can close this one. We can close this file. Sorry. Out actually what to use, outf is outf dot close. So that's it. And then print bill function is all, and we can create a show bill function. I can create a method called show bill or show receipt or something like that, same thing. And then I can say if stream in f and file name was receipt.txt in if actually if not in f if not in f, yes, I can print cout file opening error or something like that. You can use anything in here. If program can't open the file, otherwise there is no file called receipt, so this will print as I think. We'll see. Okay, I will end of the line, and then I can print this file using while loop as we did above. To do this I can use this mark not in f dot eof function, which is coming with the fstream header file, and then I can say in f dot get all the lines. So I can say get line. I will create a variable called all and I99, and I can see out. So what the hell, this should be in this one. I can say see out all and end of the line. So after doing this, I can close the file in f dot close. That's it, and that's all. Actually, that's all. Most of the 99% of the program we finished. Wow, beautiful. And then at the last we have to create our main menu. Actually, this is very easy because we have to create objects and other things in here. So to do this one, I will create a function called void menu. This will be the main menu function of our program. So guys, to do this, I have created that menu template to our program. So I will paste it into here. It is very super beautiful. Okay, I'll paste it in here. This is the menu program, and we don't need this one. Okay, beautiful one. We'll see when we run the program. And then I can create some variables. Actually, to choose these things, I can say main choice, and okay, and I can, that's all. No, main choice means this one, or this one. Then I can say cout and sorry, enter your choice or something like that, and get C in main choice. And after the choosing which service you need, the system should be, actually CMD should be clear, so we use the system CLS function in here. And then actually we can create the object for our classes. Our classes is customer class. I can make a variable called a2. You can use any name. I will use a2. This one is the object name, and I can use caps menu, and this should be a3. And I can use booking class. I will create object as a4, and charges class as a5. That's it. And then we are getting the objects, and then we have to make these choices using if else function. Very tired now. No problem. We are so I can say what I can say actually. If main choice is assigned 1, I will copy the things this system is show. There is two options: enter new customer and see old customer. Old customers means this file, old customer file. This will happen if someone select see old customer option. To do this one, I can say cout, go to a new line and enter choice. To get the choice, cin, this should be a choice now, so I can create a variable called int in choice or something like that. In choice, so I can clear the console system cls if in choice is assigned 1, what will happen? Will happen, okay, so a2 dot, if I enter the dot, you can see all the attributes of the a1 object, otherwise customer functions will be there. So if I choose first one, this should be a2 dot, we are getting get what, so a2 dot get what the hell, a2 dot get details, and that's it. And then else if in choice is assigned 2, then a2 dot what, see old customer now, so we can, oh my god, what was the function name? This should be d get details, and this should be show details. Control C. Should get details a1 dot show details, because see old customer means if someone enter 2, show details function will be executed. That's it. And I can use else part. This else part also we did in the last above classes, so I will copy the code and paste it into here. If someone enter the invalid input, this will happen. Sleep the system and clear the system, and menu function all will be executed. That means this one will be executed. Okay, so that's it. And then I can say if above things will not happen, this should be happen. What I can say, go to a new line and press 1 to redirect main menu, sorry, main menu. Okay, to press 1, you can use cin. I can create a variable called actually int get, go to menu, something like that, go to menu. I can say go to menu. Okay, that's it. go to menu, scene, and that system should be clear. System CLS. System should be clear means actually command prompt letter should be clear. And then if go to menu is assigned 1, what will happen? Go to the menu function. Else go to the menu function as well. So that's it to the first choice, that means customer class. So now we are going to make else if part for cap details. If main choice is assigned 2 means what? Caps management, no, this one, no. So 2, we have to, all the thing we have to do is only one thing we have to do is actually A3 means cap details, no object, no yes, A3 dot execute the cap details function, that's all. And anyhow, if we else if execute the option 3, main choice is assigned 3 means actually 3 means booking management. So object name is A4. I'll copy it one and control V and getting the execute the hotels method. That's all we have to do. Otherwise I can say something like this. What actually I can say cout before the executing the hotels function. I can say cout what actually book luxury hotel using the system, something like that. This will be beautiful. And go to a so that's it. Else if otherwise main choice is assigned 4 means what actually? Okay, charges and bill, no. What will happen? The fill bill actually the print bill function should be executed. Yes, cout. I can say get your receipt and then A5 is the object name of the bill class, I mean is charge class, A1 print bill. So that's it. And after the print bill you have to do some activities. I mean, you can say your receipt is already printed, you can get it from the file saved path or something like that, and then you can say to display the your receipt in the screen, that means in the console enter 1 or enter another one, another key to back to the main menu. That means if you enter number 1, the receipt means the text file will be shown in the console. To do this this function should be executed. Okay, now see how can we do it. Yeah, I copy that simple codes like this, and I can get the go to menu keyword, go to menu variable to here. It is not important. And if go to menu is assigned 1, what we have to do, display our receipt in the screen. To do this, we can clear the system using system CLS, and then we can show the show bill. We can execute the show bill function using the object of the charges class. Object name is fi dot, I can say actually show bill now. Yep, I can say cout. What should I can say? Press 1 to redirect main menu. Main menu. That's it. And I can say cin go to menu. Then again I can actually clear the console using system CLS command. And then we are getting the input now. So if input for a actually go to menu variable, so I can say if go to menu is assigned 1, menu function should be executed. Also else menu function should be executed. Then else part, else if sometimes we'll use inputting the wrong input, this else should become on. I can say system else should be executed for this one. Enter another key to back main menu. So we can clear all the system CLS and go to main menu. That's it. This one is to this, and then at the last, else if main choice is assigned to what we did 1 2 3 4 and 5. 5 means exit from the system. So to do this, you can use the I can say cout good by and indel, and then I can print. Actually I can sleep the system using, you can sleep one, and I can give some values 99.9, and then I can use system CLS command to clear the console and go to the main menu. So that's it. And if user input a wrong value, the same thing will happen. We did in this here, sorry, this one, invalid input system CLS and go to main menu. So I will copy this one and paste it here. So that's it. Now the main function is the first function will be executed now when we run the program now. So to do this, main function should be declared. Okay, so we have created the menu function, so we can remove these comments from these areas, all areas. I will post the video, and so I have removed all of the comment related to main menu function. So when we build the project, there is a small error. We can fix this error, prototype the menu function in here. So I can say void menu, that's it, and we can build this one. So there are some errors. This should be customers. Last cap cost should be capital. This one should be so capital. That is a small error before main choice. All of the errors should be fixed now. Okay, 0 errors. Okay, now we have to configure our main function. This is the function we are going to execute when we run the program. If I run this one, never will happen. Anything will not happen. Only the hello world will be printed, because main function is the first function will be executed when we run the program. Okay, now we are going to actually configure the main function. Okay, I close this one and go to up, and I will create another class. As you can see here, another class called manage system main menu. In here I can add some constructor, and then you can see destructor, and the menu function is called by this class, and there is a protected value called username. In here we use encapsulations. So I can create this class, the class name I can give manage menu or something like that. Yes, manage menu. Let's say class manage menu, manage menu, and in here I can create a protected value, protected string username. This is the username of the, I can say, this is actually we hide this one from others. Hide admin name. This is comment. Don't think about so much. This is a comment, because this is protected. If you won't use this another areas, you can use getter and setter methods and use this as public. But in here we are not going to do that. We are keep this one as protected. Okay. Now we are going to make our constructor always should be public in C++. So constructor name also same to class menu. This is the constructor, and in here so I can, when executing the constructor, I can got the system username. To do this, I'm use so many new lines and tab areas, and I can say enter your name to continue as an admin. Okay, let's see in, I can use this protected variable scene username. Okay, now I can clear the class system CLS and execute the menu function. After doing this is the first thing. After doing these things, menu function will be executed. Menu functions mean this function will be executed, and then we can do our choices and booking hotels or rent cabs and getting the bill and something like that. In this project we covered so many object-oriented concepts like file handling and encapsulations and inheritance and so many other things, constructors and destructors. And I can destroy this manage menu constructor like this. Okay, I destroyed it, and I hope that's all. If I run the program, what will happen? Hello, only hello world will be executed. But why? We didn't configure our menu main function. So I will remove this hello world shit, and now we can actually create object for our manage menu class. To do this manage menu, I can name the object as start start okay. So that's all, because we don't want to call the object and we don't want to call the methods, because construct automatically executed when the object created. So that's all we have to do, and I close this console, and now we are going to run our cool application called travel agency management system. Okay, let's start. Okay, so my name is Pasindu. Wow, beautiful. And so I'm not going to run these things. Before I'm going to run, I have to show a special thing that I told you in the start of the video. I close this one and I will show it now. I said this one we are going to use for a special purpose. Actually, not very much special, but we can make our console. We can make our command prompt beautiful by changing the color. To change the color, I can use system and color. The color code should be I use A. Actually, I use 0A. 0A means black or something like that. This is, let us say, change terminal color. This one is actually dark green color or something like that. You can search on the internet as command prompt color codes or something like that. You will see the color codes. So I will use this one. This one is pretty much good, actually pretty much beautiful. So I will execute now. Wow, as you can see, color also changed. Now I'm going to run this program. So my name is Pasindu, live intro, and I'm going to customer management. I'm entering new customer. Customer ID should be 1234 or something like that, and enter name is Pasindu. My age is actually, I'm not going to age my real age. I mean 20, and I'm enter my mobile number. I can say email address is, I can say I will add some dummy values, email, generates mail. So you can see saved your details, record for future purposes. I will redirect to the main menu. I was redirected to main menu by the system, and then I can use actually caps management. and there is two cabs. I will use a luxury cab. I have to travel 34 kilometers. The cabs will cost 950 rupees, and then I want to hire this cab, so I enter one, and this will show you have successfully hired the luxury cab. Go to main menu and take receipt. So I'm going to do main menu, and on the other hand I also want to book a hotel, so I'm going to booking management and go to hotel Avendra. I want to book a premium package, so I will click 2, and as you can see you have successfully booked a premium package at Avendra. Go to main menu and take the receipt. So I'm going to take the receipt, so I will click on 1. So now in here I'm going to take the receipt. To take the receipt, as we code the system, as we programming the system, we have to go to the number 4, that means charges and bill, and you can see to get to your receipt is already printed. You can get it from the file path. File path means this. Oh wow, the receipt is here. You can see, as you can see, this is the receipt. This is the cost I have to pay. You can see this is the receipt. This is the cost I have to pay. This is the cab cost, and this is the hotel cost. This is the total cost. Wow, beautiful. And then actually to display your receipt in the screen, enter 1. Okay, I will enter 1 because I won't display it within this screen. I will enter 1. Wow, it also display in the screen. You can see here, beautiful. And then I will enter 1 to read the main menu. So that's all, guys. I have to print. Actually, I'm going to customer management. I want to see old customers that we use this system. So go to 2. So this is the old customer, that means me. If I enter another customer, I can say one. I will enter some dummy values. Save, and we can go to customer management and see old customers. You can see our first my details and others customer details also saved, because we opened the file using .ios.app now, that means ios.append command now. That's why all the details will be showed in this particular area. Okay, I'm going to again the main menu. So guys, now we have developed our beautiful OOP system, which is travel management system. I will provide the source code to you guys. I upload this repo into my GitHub account as soon as possible. Please comment below if you need the code, or if you like the video, and give me a support. So see you in the next video. Goodbye, stay safe.